Welcome back, Lancers. Today we are back again to another video of our C tutorial series, and this video is our first part of our sub series, mini project series. In this, we will be programming a mini project on the topics that we have already covered. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the problem statement goes on something like this. WAP to make a menu driven program which can perform various tasks like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, table printing, and can perform various tasks in a same execution. So what we have to do? We have to make a menu driven program, that is we will use switch case. Then we have to perform different tasks like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and table printing. So we will use different operators, arithmetic operators, and in table printing we will use for loop to print the table of the number that is given by the user. And in the last line it is saying that we have to make the program such a way that it can perform all the tasks in a same execution. We have already seen in our switch case that after we select one option, the switch can run the program and then the execution end. But in this program we don't have to do that. Let's see how we will do that, or you can say how we will achieve these. So let's move to VS Code. So here we are back to our VS Code, and we have made a program named program2.c. Now first of all, before making any projects, we have to include our standard io.h. After that we have to write int main. Now we have to make the project. So first of all, what we have to do, we should get the menu of the program. For that we will use printf statements, or you can say printf function, to give the menu, to provide the menu to the user. So now, sorry, I'm just providing these to make it beautiful, or you can say make it understandable. And then I'm here changing line. After that I will write printf. I will write I will give the first menu as menu to print the menu once again. It is important. After that we will write different operations like, sorry, I have not provided the number here. Yeah, now here we go. Let's just copy this one and paste it to make it little faster and easy. Now let's just change the numbers. And let's change the strings, or you can say the what is written in that. So here's subtraction. After that multiplication, division, and then table printing, and at last we will have an exit menu. It will use to exit the program. So after that let's just print a, yeah, something like this to make it little beautiful. I'm just providing these to make the program little beautiful and readable. Now our menu is done. After that we have to make our switch case. So yes, expression should be a ch, Okay, and what is ch? Ch is the menu which will the user will provide. So first let's take ch as an input. Enter the choice, scanf ampersand d, giving the address of ch. Yes, also remember that any declaration of any variable will be above in C program. Int ch, sorry. Now you can see I have taken the input as and stored it in ch, and then I am using ch as our switch case iterator. Now in the case 1, what we have to do, we have to just print the complete menu again. So here, yeah, after that what we have to do, we have to make our case 2, and inside that we will just printf, ask the user to give 2 inputs, enter the value of, enter 2 numbers, and then I will take input scanf ampersand d and store it in a and b. I have already said that any declaration should be above, that is int a and b. You see, I am using it here, but I have declared it here. This is what a general trend in C is. Now after that, scanf is done. We have to just print the summation of these 2 numbers are, sorry, not r, is ampersand d, and here I will write a plus b. This is what will perform our addition, and then we will provide break statement. Yeah, now we will just copy case 2 and then paste here. After that, sorry, after that paste here, after that paste here, and we will not do anything. Okay, let's change the case first. 3, 4 and 5, and also let's print that what we are doing, to understand in our runtime that what is going on. So addition, copy this one here, subtraction here. In the subtraction also, we will take 2 inputs as a and b. So here we have taken 2 inputs. After that, the difference of the 2 numbers, difference of these 2 numbers is a minus b. After that, in the multiplication also, we will take 2 numbers as an input, and then we will here print as the product is, and we will change the operator here. Yes, now let's wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.